You got
right?
to contain yourself.
No, that shit should not be. That shit should be easy.
Man.
I don't see how y'all looking at that fucking
Nigga,
mental health.
shit.
Especially
Shit.
if she ain't, especially if okay, look at it from y'all perspective. Okay, she can look fucking fantastic. That's great. And that's what's made with what everybody's looking at. Okay, she looked great. She got nice ass. She got nice titties. Okay,
Then what? Then what?
okay.
I gotta hear this.
Where the fuck her mind at? Where the fuck her mind at, man? If she ain't on the same wavelength or mindset, no, absolutely fucking not. I have no. Fuck it. Fuck her.
The thing is, it don't get to that point. That's what I'm saying. I'm not trying to figure you out,
But I'm just saying though,
but
you
how
should.
you present yourself is different.
I get that.